Gujarat, India. Renowned as the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, Gujarat is one of India's most industrial and economically progressive states. In January 2009, Gujarat's Chief Minister Narendra Modi hosted the Vibrant Gujarat Global Investors Summit in Ahmedabad Science City. A significant presence at Vibrant Gujarat was BSNL, India's leading service provider with the largest fiber backbone network in the nation. Together with operating partner Soma Networks, BSNL offered a hands-on preview of its new high-speed WiMAX broadband service for homes and businesses. BSNL WiMAX broadband will be the first and most widely deployed service of its kind in India. The Indian government has given BSNL the mandate to provide broadband service in hard-to-reach rural areas where other service providers have not yet made any significant investments. This will enable BSNL to bring broadband applications such as telemedicine, tele-learning, e-governance and other interactive services to rural homes and businesses for the first time. Soma Networks is BSNL's exclusive WiMAX operating partner in Gujarat as well as in the telecom circles of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa. Soma specializes in forming operating partnerships with national service providers in emerging economies where broadband penetration is low and demand for broadband services is high. As India's largest carrier, BSNL provides the wireless spectrum, fiber backbone and brand recognition to drive the deployment. Soma completes the solution by providing WiMAX technology and equipment, network deployment and management services, as well as sales and marketing support for its operating partner. Delegates, media representatives and other attendees of the Vibrant Gujarat Summit were able to preview this new WiMAX service in action. At touchscreen information kiosks located throughout and at BSNL WiMAX broadband display stands, users could easily access multimedia applications such as event information, news, weather, music, gaming, video clips, feature-length movies and even video chat. Soma also worked with BSNL to provide internet and voice connectivity to exhibitors throughout the event. Delegations from numerous countries including the Netherlands, Japan, Kenya, Korea and the United Kingdom were able to experience the capabilities of BSNL's WiMAX broadband service firsthand. Chief Minister Modi noted that he views broadband connectivity as a significant contribution to rural economic transformation and improvement of the Human Development Index. And Mr. M. Sahu, Principal Secretary Industries and MD of GIDC, added that by showcasing the latest technologies for businesses and homes, we continue to enhance Gujarat's attractiveness as the place to do business. By any standard, the 2009 Vibrant Gujarat Global Investors Summit was an enormous success with the value of memorandums of understanding signed exceeding $240 billion. Soma Networks shared in this success with 2 signed memorandums of understanding totaling approximately 160 crore rupees or $32 million. After speaking with Mr. Nitin Bhai Patel, Minister for Urban Development and Housing, about how BSNL's WiMAX service will bring greater gains in business prosperity and productivity to Gujarat, Soma founder and CEO Yatish Pathak and Captain Dilip Mahajar, Deputy Commissioner of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, signed a memorandum of understanding for a minimum of 1,000 connections. Soma also signed a memorandum with the Gujarat Tribal Development Department. Mr. Narendra Modi personally congratulated Yatish for Soma's success in signing these memorandums and for showcasing the power of BSNL WiMAX broadband at Vibrant Gujarat.